Wagwan everybody, today I will be showing you how I make Jamaican cowfoot and broad bean in my kitchen. So forward, let me show you wagwan. I cleaned my meat very well, then I washed it in white vinegar. So now I am going to transfer it into my pressure cooker. I sliced my onions small enough. I crushed my garlic. I crushed my pimento seeds, and also with the scallion I use the back of the knife and I kinda crush it. Instead of chopping it, I crushed it. And also I'll be using thyme. So it's up to you if you want to use these seasonings. If not, you could use whichever season you prefer. I will be using some hot water to throw on the meat. Remember guys, if you don't use hot water on your meat, it will not cook fast. And also when you use the cold water, it will not be as tender as when you use the hot water. So now I'm going to add enough hot water to cover the cowfoot. And then I'm going to add my natural seasons. I will be using 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. It's optional if you want to use it, but I like it in my cowfoot. Also, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Guys, I don't like my cowfoot spicy, so I will not be adding any custom pepper. Also 1 tablespoon of butter, salted butter. I am going to add 1 more cup of hot water because the meat needs a little bit more water. So in total I added about 4 cups of hot water. I am going to let mine pressure for 40 minutes. At that time, when I check if it's not finished, then I will give it an additional 10 minutes. It's boiling, so I'm going to cover it and let it pressure. After 40 minutes, this is how the cowfoot looks. So it looks tender, but I can't really use my eyes to judge. So I am going to remove 1 or 2 pieces and use a knife or a fork to do the test. So guys, mine is soft enough, so I'm going to add it back into the pot. Then I'm going to finish preparing it. I don't like my cowfoot brown, so I'm not going to add any browning. I will be adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, Chinese soya sauce, just to give it some flavor. If you have oyster sauce, you could also use it, just to flavor it, guys. We don't want a brown cowfoot in our kitchen, but if you guys like it that way, it's up to you. You can do it whichever way you like it. I added 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose season, and I'm adding a pinch of salt now. 2 crushed garlic cloves. I love to cook with a lot of garlic because it gives food a nice flavor and taste. This is the brand broad bean I will be using. So now I'm going to open it and add it into the pot. So now I'm going to mix it gently because I don't want to break my broad beans. Remember guys, the broad bean cook already, so you don't need to cook it a long time because you're only gonna mash it out. So guys, my cowfoot is all done and it's calling for my stomach. So I will be sharing some to present to you. So guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please give me a big thumbs up if you do. Remember guys to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and please do stay subscribed and tell others about this channel. So guys, this is how I do cow foot quick and fast in my kitchen. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe, and remember to share, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And from my kitchen to yours, I present to you how I make Jamaican cow foot and bean. So go and big up on yourself guys, and please stay tuned for more awesome videos.